Hey friends, welcome to Cabin and Cottage. Step inside this stunning warm Tudor home, brimming with Pottery Barn charm. Dark timber beams, creamy walls, and sun-kissed oak floors create cozy magic. Let's tour every inviting nook together. Grab your coffee, your home. Step into this warm Tudor foyer. Sunlight dances across polished oak floors. Dark timber beams hug soft cream walls. A cozy console waits with fresh flowers. Plush bench invites you to pause. Tall black iron windows frame the light. Every detail whispers welcome. Intricate moldings crown the space. Aged plaster adds timeless charm. Feel the gentle hug of home. Pottery Barn elegance meets Tudor soul. Perfect for kicking off shoes. Breathe easy here. Luxurious living room glows with natural light. Tufted sofas and soft neutrals beckon. Marble table holds favorite books. Oak floors shine under the rug. Timber beams add cozy drama. Cream walls feel fresh and airy. Black windows let sunshine pour in. Coffered ceiling sparkles above. Layered fabrics invite deep chats. Warmth wraps every corner. Pottery Barn style shines through. Gather friends here often. Family room feels like a hug. Sectional sofa sinks you in comfort. Media unit with timber mantle waits. Thick wool rug warms oak floors. Sunlight filters through multi-pane glass. Dark beams frame cream walls perfectly. Plush pillows promise lazy days. High ceiling adds breathing room. Casual vibes rule this spot. Pottery Barn comfort at its best. Movie nights just got better. Snuggle up now. Dining area sparkles in daylight. Longwood table gleams with china. Crystal catches sun from tall windows. Oak floors ground the elegance. Timber beams arch overhead. Cream walls stay soft and inviting. Iron chandelier adds subtle shine. Ornate moldings frame the scene. Linens layer beautifully. Pottery Barn sets a festive mood. Host dinners with joy. Every meal feels special. Kitchen island steals the show. Marble top glows under sunlight. Shaker cabinets in deep green charm. Farmhouse sink overlooks gardens. Oak floors flow seamlessly. Timber beams accent cream walls. Black windows brighten every counter. Brass pulls add warm touch. Open shelves display pretty pottery. Coffered ceiling feels grand yet cozy. Pottery Barn makes cooking fun. Brew coffee here daily. Butler's pantry buzzes with ease. Marble counter holds coffee gear. Open shelves brim with mugs. Jars of spices catch the light. Oak floors stay practical. Dark beams frame the nook. Cream walls keep it bright. Black iron window adds charm. Woven baskets hide extras. Natural sun warms the space. Pottery Barn style simplifies mornings. Grab a latte quick. Love this hideaway. Master bedroom wraps you in peace. King canopy bed looks dreamy. Tufted headboard and soft linens. Sunlight floods through big windows. Oak floors under layered rugs. Timber beams add rustic romance. Cream walls soothe the eyes. Sheer curtains dance lightly. Nightstands hold favorite reads. Coffered ceiling crowns it all. Pottery Barn luxury feels real. Drift off happily. Walk-in closet organizes with grace. Built-in shelves showcase treasures. Marble island for jewelry sparkles. Hanging rods keep things tidy. Oak floors feel solid. Dark timber details warm it up. Cream walls reflect soft light. Black windows brighten drawers. Folded linens stack neatly. Pottery Barn makes storage chic. Find outfits effortlessly. Your retreat awaits. Vanity area shines with elegance. Double marble basins gleam. Ornate mirrors catch the sun. Brass faucets add golden touch. Oak floors stay cool. Timber beams frame cream walls. Black windows pour in light. Monogram towels hang pretty. Coffered ceiling adds height. Pottery Barn pampers perfectly. Morning routines feel luxe. Glow up here daily. Kids' bedroom bursts with fun. Twin beds with quilts invite play. Whimsical headboards spark imagination. Sunlight brightens the rug. Oak floors handle adventures. Dark beams add storybook charm. Cream walls stay cheerful. Black windows frame views. Storage benches hide toys. Pottery Barn keeps it cozy. Dream big in here. Perfect hideout spot. Guest bedroom welcomes warmly. Queen bed with crisp linens. Throw pillows add soft pops. Sunlight softens through drapes. Oak floors with neutral rug. Timber beams create nest feel. Cream walls invite rest. Black windows keep it fresh. Bedside tables hold lamps. Pottery Barn hosts with heart. Friends stay comfy. Wake refreshed always. Home office library inspires focus. Mahogany desk awaits ideas. Leather chair hugs you right. Bookshelves tower with treasures. Sunlight highlights colorful spines. Oak floors ground the workspace. Dark beams add character. Cream walls reflect calm. Black windows energize the view. Brass lamp glows softly. Pottery Barn fuels creativity. Work flows easy here. Backyard terrace blends house and sky. Wicker seats circle fire pit. Stone pavers meet oak floors. Timber beams extend overhead. Cream walls frame greenery. Black iron matches perfectly. Sunlight drenches every inch. Potted topiaries add lush touch. Coffered overhang shelters cozy. Pottery Barn outdoor living shines. Zip evenings here. Seamless magic flows. Garden oasis blooms behind home. Stone paths wind through roses. Pergola shades wooden benches. Lush lawns roll gently. Sunlight filters through trees. Ivy climbs cream walls. Timber accents peek out. Oak transitions smoothly. Perennials sway in breeze. Pottery Barn crafts serenity. Wander and unwind. Nature's hug awaits. That's your Warm Tudor dream tour: timber accents, plush comfort, and Pottery Barn soul in every sunlit space. Love the foyer glow or kitchen vibes? Like if you're inspired, subscribe for more cabin cozies, and comment your fave room below. See you next time.